Welcome to the final part of the Create a Twitch clone with React series. So we will start this part by creating a StreamShow component. And before creating the StreamShow component, what we will do, we will have another thing from the React router DOM known as the switch. So this switch helps us with the same type of routes. So what we need to do, after the header, wrap all of our routes in switch. So let me wrap all of our routes in switch. So what's the benefit of it? So our stream create path is there and stream show path is there. So stream create is /streams and then the create, and our stream list is also with /. So what it do, if I do the ID here, it will not throw an error. It will exactly differentiate it with all this path. So it is required. So streams and ID I will give. After, let me save it, and after that we will update our stream list. Stream list.js file. Here what we will do, we have this introduction to YouTube or second YouTube video, this title we have, so we will update it to take us to the stream show. So let me find out where it is. Yeah, this content only is our stream title. So let me wrap a link here. So link to let me do it like this, close it quickly, then it will be inside, and the two path will be, we are using this template string /streams /stream dot id, and everything is same, stream title. So let me save it, and let also open stream show, which right now it only shows the stream show, means there is nothing there right now. So yeah, it is working. We got the link. I create it, is taking me to the stream show. I'm looking, it is taking me to the stream show. So it's time to create the stream show. The stream show will be exactly equal to our stream edit and the stream delete, because we are getting an ID and we are displaying it. So I will come to the stream show. Let me copy some things from here. Let me copy this connect first. So connect, then after this I will have this. Let me copy this also, although I don't need the delete one, so let me remove it. I only need the fetch stream from actions, and then let me make it a class based component. So class stream show extends react dot component, and as usual this return should be wrapped in a render. So let me cut it, let me paste it here, and then after this too many spaces, let me remove one. Then after that component did not did update component did, let me see whether I have it here. Yeah, I have it here, so it's better to copy it, so I am copying it. Component did mount this .props.fetch stream it will do. These are props match.params.id, so it is done. Inside the render, if not of this dot props dot stream, then it will return div with the loading, or else we'll come here in this return, and here inside the div let me show a h1 with this dot props dot stream dot title, and a h5 with this dot props dot stream dot description. Okay, and as usual we will have a map state to prop. Let me copy that from here, map state to prop, and let me copy this also. Map state to prop, we don't need to change anything here, and here we are not sending the delete stream, so let me remove it, and let me take this and put it here. Let me remove this, save it, and if everything works fine, if I click here, yeah, it is showing correctly. It is showing correctly, so means it is working fine. So now we will set up RTMP, which is known as real-time messaging protocol. So I will soon show a diagram regarding what it is. So let me show the diagram. So this all of this tutorial is from my blog series, as you know. So we are going to use this real-time messaging protocol, and we are soon going to use OBS also, which is the open source library to broadcast anything. If you are a YouTuber, I think you know that what OBS is. By OBS you can do live streaming, so we are going to use that in our project. So this is the whole flow. This is the viewer browser, and you will use this RTMP. So let me come back, and what we need to do, we need to go in the root directory. Let me find my terminal. Yeah, here it is. We will go to the root directory. Let me open vertically with current profile. Yeah, okay. cd desktop streams. Yeah, I have to go to the streams, and after that in the streams only I have that API and the client. So here I have to make a mkdir RTMP server, and then I have to cd to it RTMP server. Next, like when we set our server, we have to do, we did a npm init, because it will again be some node code. So npm init I will do, RTMP server, I need this only, entry point description is okay, entry point is this, test command is okay, git repository we have, keywords is okay, author let me put my name, license is MIT, so everything is okay. So let me do a yes, and it is done. So we need to, so this package.json is fine, so we need to install also an npm install -- save node media server. Node media server we need to install, so I'm installing it. So it is getting installed. So after this, let me see whether it is installed or not. Yeah, it came here. And now what we need to do, we need to create a index.js file in our root directory. Let me create it, index.js file. So here we have to add some boilerplate code that I am not going to write, because that I have got it from their node media server GitHub page only, which we just installed, this node media server. So let me bring it directly. Yeah, it is here. So it will be like this, some boilerplate code. So I am saving it, and after that let me open the package.json, because we have to create a script. By default it has a test script, so we will create a start, remove this node index.js, save it. And now, as you know, if we go inside this, clear it a bit, and then npm start, it will start the server. Error, it is giving me error, cannot find streams RTMP server index.js. It is not finding in index.js RTMP server. Oh, I didn't save it in the right place. It should be inside this. Can I copy it like this? Yeah, I can move it like this. Okay, so it was outside everything, so now it is okay. Now let me try again, clear, npm start. Yeah, now it is working perfectly. Now what we need to do, we need to install OBS. Actually I don't have OBS right now in my system, because I deleted it, because I had to do a factory reset for my Mac. So for that we have to go to OBS project.com. So I had gone to obsproject.com, and here you have to install it according to your system. So I have Mac, so let me install it for a Mac. Save file. So I will not take you through the installation process. Let me stop this and install it. For every operating system it will be different, and you can install it. So it is taking time. So my OBS was installed successfully, and this is what it opened. So as you might know, OBS is a very good software for recording and streaming, but it is a bit complicated and we need to set it up. So in OBS, when you will get this for the first time, and then you have to create a something known as a scene. So you have to come here and click here, When you click here, it will give this pop-up. So here let me give a streaming, because this setting will be a bit different. Okay, so I have given streaming. After that we have to go to the sources. This, see, streaming is selected, then we go to the sources. We have to do a display capture, and it will give this pop-up. So just click OK on it, and it will show this thing. So we don't need to do anything in it. And then again just click OK, and so the display capture will be set. Again I have to click on plus, and I have to click on audio input capture, because I have some audio. So audio input capture, and then OK I have to do. Then it will ask for the device default, but I have a blue snowball connected to my laptop, which I use for this YouTubing also. So I will do this, and then I have to click on OK. So it is done. Then after that we are good to go, means everything seems to be okay. Let me close it. We need to install some one thing more before moving forward. So we will install a media player, fly.js, in a client folder. So let me go there. So we have three things running. This is the client, this is the server, this is the RTMP server. So I have to stop the client. See, present working. It is a client which I have stopped. Then I have to do a npm install -- save fly.js. So it is getting installed. It is giving me some error. Fly in .js at latest is not a use. Should bug the author to publish it or use it to name. Okay, so this is a big issue we have. I think it is not there anymore. So it is not an issue. I did the wrong thing. It is not fly.js, it is flv.js. So let me do this, flv.js. Yeah, my bad. So let it get installed, and let me now come to my code and StreamShow. We have to come to StreamShow, and we'll use this flv.js here. That's why I was wondering how this such as important and popular package is gone. flv from flv.js. Okay, then what we will do, a constructor props. We are going to use the ref systems here in React. So let me do super props, and after that this dot video ref equal to react dot create ref. So I did this, and then after this component did mount, we will have fetch this dot props dot match dot id. This is right, fetch stream. Then after that this dot build, we'll call a method this dot build player. So I need to create this method, but it is also a lot of boilerplate code, so I'm not going to create it. I'm going to copy paste it. Actually, let me do that, or else it will become a very big post. Come back. We are going, let me format it a bit, or everything is not showing correctly. Control Shift P, format document. Did it format? Yeah, it formatted it. So here what we are doing, we have a component did update also, and component will unmount also, so it will unmount it. So component did update, if something gets updated it will update. And this build player, this also I had got from that FLV side. So we have this ID and this dot player, it will create from the FLV dot create player type FLV, and localhost 8000 live FLV, it will go here, and this dot me attachment, this video ref which we have created, it will attach it, play download. Now have to come down, and we have to, everything else will be okay, but here we will show our video player. We are using a video element from HTML ref equal to this dot video ref. Let's put some inline style equal to width of 100% and control equal to true. The self-closing tag, so I am closing it, and let me save it. So now, yeah, we are here. So let me go here to any stream. Oh, I have not started it. So I did it, but I didn't started it. npm start. Let it get started. So it will start it in my Chrome. Let me come back here. I hope it is done. No, it is not yet done. So let it complete. Yeah, it is done. So let me come here and let me refresh it. If I refresh it, will it come? No. Let me go back. Let me start it. It is loading something, but maybe it is showing it here. Is it giving some error? Yeah, it is giving some error. Friends, I have checked the code from my already done project, and I didn't see much changes there. Means I still didn't got the error, but my project is working. See, let me go here, and it is working. It is showing this media player and all. So let me show what the changes were done, because there is nothing, just like this. See, there are this some codes from single to double, then react.component, this is okay, and this perhaps dot, we creating a variable here, so nothing different here. And here might be this is causing the problem. See the return, I am giving it in the next line, and then FLB double to single quotes, thing is different here, one comma is there, but I don't think it is causing the problem. And loading and giving it a different line, ref this dot video ref, nothing is different. So, and here also if you see, nothing is different. So it is working somehow. So you can get this code from my GitHub repository. So let us go ahead and do the final setup in our OBS. So this one is there, this is the important thing to notice. And then this is my OBS. Then I click on this settings and then click on the streams. Here by default Twitch is there, go to custom, and here I have to enter the RTMP server, RTMP, local host live, and the stream key is this key, this is 1. So this I have to make it as 1, and then after that I have to do, oh not this, I have to do it 1. Okay, it is doing it like this. Let me do it show, okay 1. So okay, I have to do, and after that I have to click on start streaming. So I am clicking on start streaming. Hello, this is streaming, see, it is coming here. And what it did, it saved it also. Let me play it. So this is how it works. So this is how it works. So we have a 2-3 minute delay, but that is fine. So this is how our whole Twitch application works. So if you want to create a real clone of a Twitch application, you need to take a very big server, because you have to create this RMTP server there, and it will work. See, I am live streaming now, and you have to do a bit of DevOps so that the delay is gone. But this is the basic step how to create a clone of Twitch. So hope you like this series. This has been a long series. Please subscribe to my channel for series like this. This will help me also. Thank you.